Hi everyone. Welcome to Joseph IT. This quick tutorial of Joseph IT will show you how to find the installed drivers folder in Windows 10 and 11. You may need this installed folders. Have you ever wondered where Windows actually stores all your installed drivers? You know, those important files that make your hardware work, but they're buried deep in the system, and finding the right folder can be a real pain if you're troubleshooting, backing up, or just curious. Well, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to locate the main DriverStore folder in just a few simple steps, safely and without any third-party tools. Press Windows and R. And find Run. Here paste or write this command. It will be in the description too. So, here are all the installed drivers you have installed through Windows default service or via third-party application in the system. Now you may go through the files or drivers and perform your necessary task. So, this is the simple way to getting all the installed drivers in your Windows PC. We upload useful tech tutorials. Please be with us and subscribe to inspire. Good day.